Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to be making a personalized box for the little small hand sanitizer. So first things first, let's get started. So this is our 12 for 12 week Craft Divas and Crafting with Ties. So 12 days worth of tutorials, could be from 1 to 3, maybe more tutorials a day. You just have to subscribe and like to see. Make sure you head on over to her channel as well to subscribe. All right. So the next thing is I am using the Silhouette Studio Business Edition, and I purchased this template from off of the Silhouette store. I'm sure you can find the SVG somewhere as well. Um, if you go to the Silhouette store and you find the item, then it has have a blog where you can probably purchase the SVG for other devices or other cutting machines, and they have other SVGs as well. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this one together because I think it's so cute. All right, so let's go. Hello, and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to be designing a personalized box for your hand sanitizer. Now, I did purchase this SVG from the Silhouette Studios store, so I'm pretty sure that you probably can purchase it from other sites as well. It's called a 3D hand sanitizer box, and I think this is going to be really, really cute. So first thing after you purchase your item, I import it into my Silhouette Studios. I have the business edition, and it is grouped together. So I want to go ahead and ungroup the item, and let's get to designing. So this part here is the main part, the main box. So I'm going to do that one. Let's see. What do I want to mess around with today? Let's do. Let's. Oh, maybe if I click on it, that. Let's do black. Yeah, let's just do black. And let's try to find some design. So these are the panels. So these are the side panels, and this is the back, and this is one of the other little side panels, or the front part, and this is the top of the other side, and this is that little cutout area, as you can see. So let me see what kinds of. I'm gonna just do this in color. So I'm gonna just do a black and another color and a couple colors for tutorial purposes. So let's go with what goes well with black. Let's do black and yellow. I'm gonna just lay these on here for now, just so I can see how they look. Or with the colors I'm using. You know what we gonna do? I think all these is gonna be backwards, so I'm gonna highlight all these and bring it to the front. Click on that one too, and make sure it's brought to the front. And put this here. You know, I'm gonna do a rainbow box. So let me take the main box and I'm gonna do a white. Yeah, and since my background was white, I'm actually going to unreveal. I don't know why did they change back this now. There you go. Alright. And just want to put this on here to see how it looks. Alright. So my panels, we just gonna do some rainbow colors. And this one here, let's do orange. So that'll be the other side. And this, let's say red. And this part here is going to be the other side of this. So let's say purple. Alright, so I have all my colors. So yeah, I know I'm going to have to... Hold on, let me rethink this process. Because I might have to cut all this out in each of these colors. But that's an option. You definitely can do that. If you want it to be different colors, you will cut all of it out in different colors. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. We're gonna find some designer paper and probably do one or two colors and call it a day. But anywho, that's how you would design it, and make sure then if I wanted it just like this, of course you would have to line them all up. So I have to line up a piece of purple in this area, so that's between 1 and a little over 2. Yeah, so 2 by 2, if I bring that over a little bit, and then I would put this in the 3 to 4.25 section. So you have to line it up definitely to make sure that you are cutting the right item, the right colors wherever you put them at. So you have to basically lay the paper where you have these are assembled at. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my silhouette to cut these out, and then I will be back to show you guys how to assemble this. Now it might not be the same color than you see on my screen, but it's gonna be the same concept. Alright, I will be back, guys. Thank you. Hello and welcome back, divas. So I have the template print out, well, cut out, if I didn't have to print anything. And I am going to assemble it. So I went ahead and folded the score lines already. Now this is pretty easy. The first thing that you would do is go ahead and glue down this section. So I'm going to do that. Of course it doesn't want to. Uh-oh. I already had made one. So I didn't put the glue. The top back on properly. Now this thing was working absolutely fine until I started doing the video, and now it wants to act crazy. Alright, I believe I have it working now. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that glue on there. Put glue on and put that on there. Now you can go ahead and glue these on if you want. it'll be easier. So let's just go ahead and glue these down. Glue the sides and everything down. Oop, that is not straight. That is very, very crooked. I like this. These come out so cute. Yeah, that's my other one. And the sanitizers are 2x2. I mean 2x2 are 2 ounces. I mean, yeah, 2 ounces. I messed that up, my bad. And then you're gonna do this side. So I am going to just put a little bit around there in hopes that that matches, and that does not. So yeah, I just messed that up. That is cool. Boom. That's what you do. This is for tutorial purposes. And this is the back of it. So definitely want to try to get some glue. I don't really recommend putting the glue right on here like that, but I am going to do that. And it's going to be, it is what it is type of moment if it doesn't fit. And a little bit of glue at the bottom. And this side. And this is just designer paper that I'm putting on here. So it's printed, is cut on cardstock, and I cut out, I cut the decorative part on designer paper. And I got this paper from Michael's when they had the little sale on paper. So that was pretty cool. And then, oops, this part actually goes in the inside right there. So let's go ahead and glue that in there. All right, so with this, what you do is you just fold these in, put that down. And it's a little bent because the way I pulled it off the mat. So be careful the way you pull it off your mat. And then stick that in there. It's supposed to slide right in. And I tore it a little bit. And then put your hand in there. Come on. Come on, come on. Don't give me a hard time today. So y'all, it really isn't this hard to put this on. All right. So that goes like that. And you can tape that down or glue it if you want to. Since I have a little bit of glue on here, I'm going to put some glue in the inside of this. Just so it's a little more secure. So I put a little bit of glue in there. And then once you do that, you're done really. There go your box. So stick your sanitizer in there. There you go. Awesome. So I think these are so cute. These are good party favors. You can put your business information on there and give these away. You can do anything, any kind of theme or anything with them. They are pretty cool. I mean, who doesn't use hand sanitizer? Everybody uses hand sanitizer, so why not? But yeah, I like it. See? That one didn't give me a hard time. This one did. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for our 12-day tutorial. And subscribe to Crafting with Ties channel as well. Like and subscribe if I didn't say that already. And have a great day. Thanks, you guys.